The roof of this Marco Polo should be lowered using the emergency operation. The pop-up roof can no longer be closed electrically. The emergency operation is necessary because the vehicle cannot be driven to the workshop like this. Inside the vehicle, close the zippers for the windows in the pop-up roof. Then press the reading lights into the bracket. Then you can swing down the bed frame. There should not be any small objects on the bed frame. Call up the pop-up roof menu via the central electronics. Release the emergency operation in the cupboard underneath the gas cooker. You hear this signal tone after 3 seconds. Now start the closing process via the central electronics within 15 seconds. Alternately press the top and bottom buttons. Always press the bottom button twice. This lowers the roof in 10 centimeter steps on both sides. Always check that the roof is lowering. Continue the process until the central electronics display closed. The pop-up roof is now completely closed.